In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search on x.com, also known as Twitter, using a specific date range so you can quickly find posts from the exact time period you need. This is super useful if you're trying to locate an old tweet, track down a post from a certain event, or research what people were saying on a specific day. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to x.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side and click Explore. This is where X lets you browse trending topics and search for content across the platform. In the search box, type your keyword, phrase, hashtag, or account name, then press Enter on your keyboard or click the search icon. After the results load, look for the three dots menu in the search area. Click that menu and choose Advanced Search. This is the feature that gives you more control over your search results, including date filtering. On the Advanced Search page, you'll see options to narrow down your results. Find the From section and enter the starting date you want to search from. Then, go to the To section and enter the ending date you want to search up to. Make sure the dates are correct, because this will determine exactly which posts appear in your results. You can also adjust other filters if needed, but for a basic date search, the From and To fields are the most important part. Once your date range is set, click Search. X will then display posts that match your keyword within the selected dates. Take a moment to review the results and scroll through the posts to find exactly what you're looking for. If the results are too broad, go back and refine your keyword or adjust the date range for a more precise search. This method is really handy because it saves you time and removes the guesswork from finding older content on X. Instead of scrolling endlessly, you can jump straight to the relevant posts in just a few clicks. And that's it. Now you know how to search on x.com or Twitter by date using Advanced Search. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial.